Hey guys! In this video we are going to be checking out the best rifle laser light combo under $100. You can buy it right now. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on the type of features and price. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for the best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, mention being sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. The Firefly V2 Flashlight Laser Sight. This flashlight laser sight, with multiple functions, impeccable adaptability, and versatile functions. Let's take an in-depth analysis of the Firefly V2 Flashlight Laser Sight. The Firefly V2 has a Class IA and a laser range of 50 to 100 meters. It is made from high-quality polymer. Ultimately, it has a maximum power output of less than 5 mW and just weighs over 28.6 grams. The laser piece is just 30 mm long and produces a wavelength range of 625 to 650 nanometers. The complete package comes with a single laser sight with a flashlight for regular light or strobe function and a single elevation adjustment wrench. This Firefly V2 polymer material is tough and resistant to corrosion, tensile, and compressive forces. It is completely waterproof, effectively preventing water and fog from entering the flashlight when you are shooting or when your gun falls into water or on a foggy grass patch. This is one flashlight laser sight that offers you accuracy and versatility, as you can easily interchange from a laser sight to using only the flashlight or both in some scenarios. The Firefly V2 laser flashlight has a lifetime warranty. Yes, you heard it right. Whenever you feel it's broken or not functioning properly according to the specifications, you can basically get a new one. Number 2. Lasercross Green Laser and Flashlight Laser Combo. The Lasercross CL105 comes with an all-new magnetic charging internal green laser sight and flashlight laser combo. It has the following dimension outlay. The length is 2.6, a width of 1.3, and a height of 1.1. It contains an internal green laser which is launched from the LED cup, and the laser wavelength ranges from 510 to 520 nanometers with a power output of less than 5 mW. The charging system technology is magnetic and the battery can be charged by all universal USB power sources. The Lasercross CL105 is adaptable to 3 modes. The laser function could be used solely on its own. The same goes for the flashlight light. Both the laser and the flashlight could be used symbolically in tandem with each other. The strobe node is part of the other vital functions. The Picatinny rail mounting system on the device allows you to mount it on virtually any rifle or pistol. This is handy for a lot of semi-automatic guns and shooting targets at a distance over 100 meters. Number 3. HilightTactical Flashlight and Green Laser Sight Combo. The HilightTactical LED flashlight and green laser sight combo for pistols. It certainly does the job, however, as we pointed out earlier, the quality, durability, and number of functions that any laser sight combo has will determine its value on the market. The HilightTactical LED flashlight laser sight combo has a beam intensity of less than 5 mW peak, 532 nanometers, and it is a Class IA. It has a laser beam divergence equivalent to 1.2 mRad. An average beaming range of up to 100 yards on a bright sunny day and almost 2 miles during the night. It is very flexible and the user can easily adjust the windage and elevation fully with very few hiccups. The material used in the construction of the body is aircraft-grade aluminum, which is very tough. However, it is also prone to buckling and succumbs to high compressive forces. The battery life is one feature that makes this flashlight laser sight combo a good pick on the price. On a constant light output, the battery could last over 3 hours without switching off. The method of achieving or deactivating the device is ambidextrous so as to facilitate expeditious usage of the device. The HilightTactical LED flashlight laser sight combo comes with an Allen wrench and a user's manual, both of them key tools that will help you operate it smoothly with minimal hassles. Number 4. UTG Gen 2 Light, Red Laser Combo. Last but certainly not least, the UTG 2-in-1 Tactical Gen 2 LED flashlight and red laser combo is a powerful model that can deliver an efficient and enjoyable gun experience for both novice gun owners and seasoned gun veterans. This unit gives off a powerful 400 lumen LED light for a continuous period of up to 3 hours. Despite the relatively lower light value, the total extended runtime is definitely worth noting. being a sensible and often acceptable trade-off for most gun owners. The extended runtime isn't even the best part. Oh no, this unit comes with an innovative rotational bracket that can be positioned in 10 different ways. To top that even more, the combo features an integral QD Picatinny mounting base, alongside high-end pressure switches, together with a unique lever lock system never seen on any other design on the open market. As mentioned earlier, one of this unit's key selling points is the astounding 3 hours of full-on operation that it offers, making it an ideal choice for extended operation where the flash and laser feature is key to the operations being undertaken. The rear cap also functions as a flashlight switch, allowing you to easily choose different modes for the flashlight with a simple flick. Number 5. HiLight Pistol Flashlight and Green Laser Sight Combo. This P10GL 500 lumen pistol flashlight and green laser combo mount to compact and full-size pistols with rail. The design features an inbuilt rechargeable battery assembly that powers all units for a substantial period before requiring a recharge via the US port. Users can opt to deploy the laser feature either in conjunction with the flashlight or independently depending on preferences. This can be activated easily via the side switch. This unit has been designed for versatile use across various pistol brands such as the Glock series, the Sig Sauer, the ever-popular Smith & Wesson, Ruger, and a lot more other pistols that have a rail design. The light fixtures all derive their power from the battery assembly mentioned earlier. For the flashlight, you can expect a 500 lumen output that can be sustained for nearly an hour. The accuracy laser feature comes off at an impressive beam intensity of